Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting components and making the first connections. Mount the ESP32 5V regulator and fuse on a small perf board. Make sure to solder clean joints. Connect the ACS712 to the mains line through the load and wire the relay on the switched hot side. Double-check polarity and grounding. Once done, route mains and low voltage wiring separately and secure strain reliefs. This step reduces noise and prevents shorts, so don't rush it. Now you program the ESP32 to measure current, control the relay, and enter deep sleep between readings. Calibrate the ACS712 using a known 1 or 2 a load, then compute offset and scale factors. Store them in non-volatile memory. Implement averaging and a debounce window to avoid false switching from spikes, and add thresholds for minimum current and overload. Once calibrated, test logic with a lamp before connecting critical loads. This avoids surprises and protects equipment. Finish by mounting the assembly into the insulated enclosure, keeping the relay and mains clear of low-voltage traces. Add ventilation if heat exceeds safe limits. Perform staged tests, first power without a load, then with a known lamp, finally with the intended appliance. Make sure deep sleep timing and wake conditions behave as expected. If something goes wrong, especially false triggers, check wiring for loose connections and revisit the ACS 700.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.